Welcome to the heart of Jamaica, where our food is as vibrant as our nature. Today, I'm taking you on a journey through the island's rich tapestry of herbs and spices, the secret ingredients that make our dishes come alive. From the fiery Scotch bonnet pepper to the earthy flavor of pimento, we'll explore the herbs that have shaped Jamaica's culinary heritage. Get ready to add some island flavor to your kitchen. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe if you love bold, authentic Jamaican flavors. And let us know in the comment section where you are watching from. In the heart of the Jamaican countryside, the circle of life is ever present, and this young pig was no exception. While the men were busy cleaning and prepping the meat for cooking, my crew and I set off on a mission, on the hunt for secret herbs and spices to bring the flavors to life. Now I know these woods like the back of my hand, but with the storm that had passed a couple months ago, it made it a bit difficult on the terrain to locate the trees, so I had to be looking extensively, and I had to be looking out for any wasps, any bugs, any spiders to find the spices.
Which is this tree here, and how you know it's a pimento, the trunk of the tree always has this white color, you can see. And even the bark, you notice, has that scent. Now high up in the tree you'll find the berries. Now it's going to be hard to source the pimento, but I brought some along with me. You can see they're quite small, but they pack a powerful flavor. So right here guys, we've got the pimento spice, a very popular spice that's always used in Jamaican dishes. You will almost find this in any jerk chicken, any jerk pork, any soup, any stew. It gives this rich aromatic smell. You can actually smell it, even the leaves, what the leaves they look like. And if you were to just crumble, that's strong guys. Even the leaf packs a powerful punch, very strong in its flavor. So this is what's known as the pimento allspice. They call them spice berries in some corners of the world, but here in Jamaica we call these pimento. Alright guys, let's go find the next spice on our list. We're going to be looking for what is known as Thymus vulgaris, also known as French thyme. So I've been searching high and low for this herb and I couldn't find it. A little birdie, word on the street is it's located just over there. Now, I want to show you guys something. It's not really used in cooking, but it's a powerful herb called the dog blood bush. Great for any fertility issue. And we have it right here. Now you can kind of see why it gets its name, the dog blood, because of, if you were to squish one of these, and I'll show you right now, it has this red color almost like blood. Now this makes for a great tea for any issues dealing with fertility and the inside of a woman. This is what you want. This is the dog blood bush guys. See that red color there? So quick detour guys, and now let's go find our French thyme. My hand.
This is a lot harder than I thought. So the French thyme is a low growing herb, so it's probably blending it with the other herbs that grows low to the ground. But we're looking for an oval shaped leaf with sort of a greenish grayish color.
So this guy is what is known pepper. Woo. This is what is known as French thyme. You can actually smell why it's called French thyme. It has that slight minty smell. Pretty potent.
Now let me introduce you to a next hidden gem of the Jamaican countryside, Peperomia pellucida, or as we locals call it, pepper elder. Now this small heart-shaped plant is very easy to overlook, but don't let the small stature fool you, for it's packed with natural goodness, and it's often used in a lot of traditional remedies for headache, joint pain, backache, you name it. So though we're harvesting it for its subtle flavors, for its earthy aroma in our dishes, like I said, it's very potent and it's an all-around plant. It thrives in dark area and the smell is very peppery like the name suggests, and it leaves a lingering smell on the fingers, a pretty powerful herb here in the Jamaican countryside. Next up, we're on the lookout for a kitchen essential, scallion, known around the world as green onion or spring onion, but here in Jamaica it's just simply scallion. With its long green stalks and white bulbs, this ingredient brings that unmistakable sharp flavor to almost every Jamaican dish. Whether we're making soup, stews, or jerks, scallion is a must-have. So let's grab a bunch of these fresh, vibrant stalks and take our cooking to the next level. There's no dish that is complete in Jamaica without some fresh scallion. And then coming right up, we're going for that Scotch bonnet pepper, where I will be trying it on camera. It's definitely a bad idea, but I'm notorious for those.
But don't watch the size. This little thing right here packs a powerful punch. I don't know if I want to try it on camera. See? Yeah, you can already feel that tingling. Ooh. Scotch bonnet pepper, guys. Ooh. 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 You have to stay away from Scotch bonnet peppers. Whew. Though she be little, she's spicy.
As we wrap up this flavorful journey through Jamaica's secret spices, it's clear that these hidden gems are more than just ingredients. They're a part of our rich culture and history. From adding that unforgettable kick to our favorite dishes to embodying the soul of Jamaica's cuisine, these spices have stood the test of time. I hope you've enjoyed exploring them with me and that you'll be inspired to bring a bit of Jamaica into your own kitchen. If you love this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. There's so much more to discover, and I can't wait to continue this journey with you. I'm Layne Walker, and until next time, keep the flavors alive.